Video number 2. How you change the bubbles on the Evo 4 and 5 fog lights. Ended with LEDs because the heats were a big mess. So, to finish the whole crap that you read on internet, the bolt is here. How the heck you gonna change this without out of the bumper? There is no way. So stop reading bullshit on the internet. You remove this bolt and then you make it. Now I restored also the back end, so I'm gonna put one complete to show you how this goes. The LEDs I bought, they had also some glove inside to grab them, so we're gonna make it the proper job. Let's do the surgery. We take them with the glove, like a doctor. And we put them inside. Simple as this. Now it's a funny video, but yeah, it has also a fun. So it's a fun, yeah, nice. Okay, first the LED is on, but I have to check the clearance on the plastic gap behind to see if it fits. I hope it's okay, but we're gonna see how this works. And that's also the fun. Okay, now let's install LED number 2. Carefully grabbing it, and my hands are not very small. Alright, here is the LEDs I bought, 100 euros per set, and that's the mark, the construction, let's say. And now I put also the gloves for the content. Also this in place. Let's make this happen. First the LED is inside. Now I'm gonna remove the bolt here. Be careful when you remove the bolt because it has this small screw washer behind to keep water out. Okay, so careful with that. Now I put also the plastic cap, and it has space behind for the air, so the fan is not gonna be stuck. So now we put in place the rear cover. Gentle. Okay, let me put the phone. Now I'm closing the fog light. Let me put the phone down to make this proper. And now, my friends, the fog light is back in place. Now we screw the bolt on the top, and that damn bolt, it's the reason you can't do this job on the bumper, and it has to come off. So usually the bolt here from the rust doesn't go in, so you need this tool, 5 millimeters, to open the rust inside and put the screw. I have my friend here, Manolis, who made this happen. So you learn from the Greeks. 30 years, no one has done this before. Number 2 fog light also assembling and ready for the bumper. So now, ladies and gentlemen, the fog lights are fully restored. And this is the LED conversion, so I'm gonna make the first video the heat conversion. And now we are going into the bumper. After they crushed me, I paint this one also, and we're gonna put it on the car. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you in the next Evo episode.